Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to reorder or rearrange dimension in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page, and then you see dimension 12 into 11 into 10. So we are going to rearrange or reorder. So this is our height, this is our width, and this is our length. So we are going to reorder or rearrange. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see new underscore dimension array, so you can rearrange it. Now you see height, width, length. Now copy length, now cut and then paste. Now add comma and then remove it. So by using this code, length show before height and width. So you can rearrange this order according to your requirement. And then now you see we added comma, so you can set format. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. Now you see 10. So this is our length. Now refresh the page. Now you see length show before height and width. Now you see length 12 cm into height into width. Now back to code. So you can rearrange format according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.